Hi, I'm HondaPro Jason, and this is my almost total Phoenix Yellow Civic Type R. I'm here at Kirk's Collision Center in Republic, Missouri. I came out here to see exactly how yellow this car was right now, and it's pretty darn yellow. I am going to put on one of the rear doors because I want to do a little bit to my car. I mean, it was only a 7-hour drive. The least I can do is put on a door. Okay, so come on over here. I'm going to give you guys a walk around the car in just a moment. Hang on. There it is. Okay. Good there. Oops. I didn't really think when buying this car there would be a day where I'd be putting the rear doors back on by hand.
Those are shoulder bolts, so it can only go in. It'll actually self-adjust itself.
Really?
Yep.
So should I tighten them all evenly first, or does it not matter?
I would do one on the top, one on the bottom.
Okay. And for those of you that say I don't work on my own car, look at this. Now the magic moment when we shut this and it closes. That's pretty darn cool. Okay, so the one of the rear doors are on, driver's side rear doors on, and with the help of Kyle, I did it, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look outside and take a look and see how incredibly awesome it looks in yellow. I think it looks amazing. In fact, I think Honda should have done yellow. We've talked about this before. We're missing a couple pieces in the front area, like the engine and transmission and drivetrain and wheels and suspension, but we'll get to that. We did the roof in black just to throw a little accent at it. I think it turned out really, really nice, and will look even nicer once the windows and the rest of the black accents are in. Interior, we have a couple custom things going on in the back seat. We have some special things going on with the wheels, nothing major, but just some small changes. And then coming around to the back, I have a different spoiler going on in the car. It's still a Honda spoiler, but it'll be a little bit more aggressive, as if the car needs anything more aggressive than what it has. And then coming around to the back bumper. As you guys know, this is a big question and a big talking point about the Civic Type R, is that not only is this not functional, it looks like a big piece of plastic just stuck on. Next, we're going to cut some holes in the bumper, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're going to cut some holes in the bumper. You guys can see one big, huge hole right here inside, and this side is solid. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this side look like this side. What do you think of that idea? Good idea, huh, Maxie? Yeah. Yeah, good idea. Okay. So the idea here is for when I'm done, for this to be nice and smooth and this thing just falls right out. I'm just hoping this thing falls right out at this point. So I didn't really miss, I just missed one, I didn't miss any corners. Thanks, Kyle.
Here to help.
So this way probably?
Yep,
Just
and
straight up?
I mean, you can really cut on this line if you want.
Okay.
The way I got that side so smooth is I've got an angle grinder that'll actually smooth up all the rough
Ah, trade secrets. Trade secrets. Nice.
Make it a little easier for you.
A lot easier, thank you. Wait, I got it. Oh, done. See, that's how you cut out the fake air dam in the back of the rear bumper of the Civic Type R. So why did I paint my car and not wrap it? That's probably the #1 question everybody asks me on social. Come on, I'll give you some of the reasons why. You can't wrap an engine bay. And my hood's gonna be open all shows throughout the year, and this is what the engine bay is gonna look like because it's painted. Also coming around to the side here, you can't paint inside the wheel wells. You can't wrap. You can't wrap inside the wheel wells.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You can't properly get everything inside the door jambs done.
Yeah.
Also, look at the gloss. It reflects. It's paint. Wrap, it's paint.
Yeah.
Not a wrap, right, buddy?
A wrap.
Not a wrap. Maximus says not a wrap.
No.
No, it's paint.
Yeah.
And that's some of the reasons why, because paint's going to have that reflective look. Also, people have wrapped the car. No one's painted it. I really want people to come to events that I'm at from miles and miles and miles away to see a painted Civic Type R. That's why I'm spending all the time and all the money to do it the proper way and paint every piece of it, taking it all apart. It's taking a while, but it's being taken apart properly, painted, and put together properly. So there we go. There's the outside.
Yeah.
What do you think so far, Max? You think it's cool? Not just to see the car in yellow, but also to drop off some cool parts. And I want to show you what I'm doing here. Thanks to Dream Automotive, I have a suede steering wheel now, which is going to be awesome. Probably a little difficult to keep clean, but I don't eat or drink in my car, so I should be good with that one. That's going to be cool, right? Yeah. And then I have a downpipe. So this downpipe is going to help the air get out of my engine, which eventually will make my engine faster,
Yeah.
produce more power. Is this cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dream Automotive got me that.
Yeah.
And I also have from United Speed Racing a turbo jacket. It's a jacket,
Yeah.
turbo jacket
Yeah.
for the turbo engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. So we got that. And then we also have a suede shifter boot. Shifter boot.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool, huh?
Yeah.
One day you'll drive this car and you'll say, wow, it's a really nice suede shifter boot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so these parts are going on. The only thing I don't have on here that's gonna go on,
The pot?
that's all the parts.
Yeah.
The only part we don't have on here yet is gonna be the Honda Reflash, which is coming soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna send my computer out so they can jailbreak it, and then once they do, they're gonna send it back here and we're gonna hook it all up. That's an update to the color change of my Civic Type R, Experiment 891. You guys can follow this live as it happens on my website. It's HondaProJason.com. Go down to live view and you guys can watch this happen 24/7. Just remember that when it's night out, you're not gonna see anything because it's dark. Kyle and the entire team here at Kirk's Auto Collision, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the work you're doing. And I can't wait to get this done and get it on the road. It is gonna be amazing. As always, guys, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.